summary dashboard in Power BI can provide a comprehensive overview of a key financial metrics, allowing users to quickly and easily understand the financial health of a business or organization. The dashboard can be customized to include a range of data sources, including revenue, expenses, profit, and cash flow, and can provide insights, trends, and patterns in financial data. In this financial summary, the total sales of a company and year-of-year changes has been given, total expenses, gross profit, and net profit, and what is happening in year-of-year changes. Also reflecting the GP and NP ratios. On this data, we will get an overall an idea about the financial health of a business or organization. Also given current asset, liabilities, and working capital. On this an overall view, a decision makers can get whether the organization's health is increased or reduced. It is very important an organization to take the decisions for the next future years or to make some forecasts. Current ratio, quick ratio, debt equity ratio, and it has to be provided in real time also. In this bar chart as given, gross profit in green line, expenses in red line, the red bars, and net profit is yellow lines. In this chart, you will get an idea about what is the monthly net profits, and it is increase or decrease in term, gross profit increase or decrease in term, expenses. Next one is working capital. Working capital, the red line is indicating the liabilities, green line indicating the current asset, and green line indicating working capital. This financial dashboard we can change to any period. If you want to be November, it will change, the figures will be changed. You want to be September, can be figures changes. And if you want to analyze the only one quarter, you can change it like that. If you want to analyze the second quarter, you can analyze it that one also. If you want to analyze the different period, you can change.